Hi friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's Kitchen, Real Home, Real Cooking. Today friends, here I am preparing Mumbai street style tawa pulao with leftover rice. So here I have taken two medium size of tomatoes, ginger, 3 green chili, these are spicy one, and one big size onion. I have chopped finely, I have chopped the onions. Now ginger, tomato and green chili I will grind and make a paste out of it. But friends, if you don't want to grind, if you don't have a mixie, something like that, it's okay. What you can do, you can grate ginger, you can cut the green chili very finely and even the tomato also finely chopped. Okay, if you are not grinding it in mixie. Okay, so and then with this you need some cooked rice. Okay, so this I have taken 2 cup of cooked rice. I have prepared the paste of tomato, ginger and green chili. So I have kept the pan. Now I'll switch on the gas on medium flame, adding little oil, vegetable oil. With this I am adding butter. To this I will be adding the onions, the taste of butter and oil literally make this recipe rich and tasty. The tomato, ginger and green chili paste. And we will cook it. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, one-fourth teaspoon of garam masala powder, and cook till you start seeing the oil from corners. Okay, till that time you have to cook this. So even you can cover and cook. So let it cook. Meanwhile I'll prepare all my veggies. And friends, you can see the oil started coming from the corners. Now to this I have prepared my small pieces carrots, little bit only I have taken carrot, and some peas, these are the frozen one, and this is a boiled potato cut in small pieces. All this veggies I will be adding. This is a wholesome meal, okay, so do try this recipe friends. Your kids will love this. Okay, first I'll fry with carrot and peas, and then at last I will be adding the boiled potatoes. Little bit of salt. Salt is according to your taste, guys. Now to this I will be adding the boiled potatoes. They are already boiled, so no need to cook a lot. Now to this I will be adding pav bhaji masala, and that will be 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, Any brand pav bhaji masala you can use. So 1 and half. So I've added pav bhaji masala also, and then again once more mix it, and then add rice to this. So friends, I have added rice to this, and now I am mixing. And I'll cover it for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes it will be ready. Okay friends, now I'll open this, and our rice is ready. It smells like heaven. Okay, so it's ready. I have switched off the gas. Now I will be adding half to 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Okay, it's superb. Do try this recipe, guys, and comment below how it came out.